From a Gallup poll, 54.9% of those surveyed considered the amount of federal income tax they must pay as fair. Their survey methodology was: results are based on telephone interviews with a random sample of 1,016 national 18 years of age and older national adults. For results based on the total sample of national adults, one can say with 95% confidence that the maximum margin of sampling error is 4 percentage points. And we want to determine and interpret this confidence interval. So we're given our point estimate as we were given a point estimate as 54.9% and our margin of error as 4 percentage points. So our confidence interval is going to take that. Confidence interval is going to take the point estimate of p hat and add and subtract the margin of error. So we are going to have 54.9% plus and minus 4%. Doing that gives our confidence interval of, when we subtract these two, we get 50.9%, which is going to be our lower bound of this confidence interval. Lower bound. And the upper bound, when we add 54.9% and 4%, we get 58.9%. Again, that's our upper bound. Upper bound. Okay. And then we need an interpretation of this. So the interpretation of this bound, let me type that down here. And the interpretation of this bound is going to be at a 95% level of confidence, the percentage of all 18-year-old and older national adults that consider the amount of federal income tax they must pay is fair is between 50.9% and 58.9%, based upon this poll that was taken.